Hey y'all, this is my mom's recipe for aloo chop, or Bengali potato cutlets. We're going to use 5 medium potatoes, which will make about 15 cutlets. Boil, peel, and mash them, and season them with a teaspoon each of salt and chili. This is our chicken filling, and the instructions are on the screen. Split the potatoes into 15 even balls and stuff them with a tablespoon of the chicken filling, and we're going to shape them and pinch them shut as shown here. Next, dip them in some beaten eggs and roll them around in some panko breadcrumbs. Fry on both sides till golden brown, and there we have it. The full recipe is on our YouTube, which is linked in our bio.